Hi everyone, so I am back home from running errands in Costco, and I have all my vegetables already, but I need to prep them, so that's what I'm going to do. And we'll go ahead make our vegetables and also the fresh lumpia wrap. So I have 3 zucchini, I have chayote, I have jicama, which is singkamas in the Filipino term, and I have carrots also. This is a very actually hearty dish to have. This is served as snacks, mid-snacks in the Philippines, or part of the main meal. For vegetarians, this is quite a good dish if you don't eat meat. This actually, you can put tofu also in the filling, which a lot of people do. Okay, so I have singkamas here. Usually, some others put sweet potato, but to have it a little sweet, I like singkamas. Usually, other people do. How I do my vegetable? I just stir fry them. I put a little of bouillon, a little of oyster sauce. It's a very tasty filling, actually. I'll try to see how I do it. So I have the carrots here. It's not much, it's okay because I don't have much anyway of vegetables. So we are going to cook right now our lumpia filling, fresh lumpia filling. So I have about 2 tablespoons of olive oil that I'm going to use. I have some of oyster sauce, and we're going to use some bouillon powder and white pepper. That's all you need. This is basically stir fry the vegetables. I have my onion. And then garlic. This is half of a medium-sized onion, 4 cloves of garlic. We're gonna put our chayote. This is 1 large chayote. Okay, now I'm going to put the zucchini and the jicama and the carrots. Okay, so after a minute or two, We can stir it again and put the seasoning. We'll put the 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder and about half a teaspoon of pepper, white pepper. So I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Wait, I'll just eyeball it. One. Yeah, that's 2 tablespoons. One teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. And about half a teaspoon of white pepper or black pepper, whatever you have. And stir this. Now this is a stir fry now. You're doing it from the scratch. Just a minute or two. To put a little cornstarch because I want the liquid. I want the juices, but I don't want the juices to sog my egg wrapper. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put a little cornstarch. That way they hold on the vegetables. So I'm gonna put about 1 teaspoon just to get the juices hold to my vegetables. This is a thickener. All right. Okay. This is cooked already. What we're gonna cook the cornstarch a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, it's thickened and no juice now, and the cornstarch has thickened up the liquid. Okay, this is finished. Vegetable filling tastes good, not salty. That's right. And the jicama is sweet too, so has a lot of flavor in this one. Okay. So this is our filling. This is our stir-fried mixed vegetable for our fresh lumpia. Okay. So we are going to make our fresh lumpia wrapper. So I have 1/2 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, and I will have 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Okay, 1/2 cup. 3 eggs here. Okay. You have to whisk this really good. Whisk. very little, just a pinch of salt. Right here, a pinch of salt. And half a teaspoon of sugar. I put everything in the liquid. Then we're gonna add water. 1/2 cup of water. 1 cup of water. Okay, and then pour it in your flour. Here it is. You just need to dissolve them. So I have all of the dry ingredients. So we'll go ahead and make our fresh lumpia wrapper. Okay, so I will put all the ingredients in the description box below, and that way you can try it. Rest assured, this is good. Fresh lumpia is always so good. You cannot go wrong with it. And then we're gonna make peanut sauce after this. Just make sure that you really dissolve all those cornstarch and flour. Just a drop. That's not a drop, but okay, that's all right. And then you get a paper towel and take this, because you are not going to fry the egg wrapper. This medium heat, and we're going to put this much only, unless you want it thick. You mix it because the flour actually goes down, so you make sure your liquid mixture, you mix it before you get 1 scoop. Okay. Okay, just turn around like that. Okay. And you just wait until it dries up. Do not flip it. Take about a minute or 2 minutes, I would say, to dry. All right, once you see the sides like separates from the pot, that's the time that you take it out. Okay. All right. Right here, beautiful. Now this is done. once this edges of the wrapper separates, and you can see also the bottom that it's forming, there's like a eggshell forming, then it's time to pick it up. Okay, all right, so right here, this is what I'm talking about right here, like an eggshell. So this is not totally vegetarian because we do use egg for the egg wrapper. However, I'm sure there is other way of doing this without egg if you are vegetarian. This is our egg wrapper right now, right here. I'm going to cover this, then we're going to assemble this later. So we're going to make our fresh lumpia sauce, in which we're gonna make a twist. We are going to make it a peanut sauce, and with that we will use about 2 cups of water. I will put the ingredients, the exact ingredients of the sauce, in the description box below so you can try it. The sauce would be Savory. The bouillon powder, or you can put salt. I put half teaspoon, put 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, half a teaspoon of garlic, powdered garlic, and half a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of sugar. Make the soy sauce, use the soy sauce. I would say 3 tablespoons. Let's say 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay. And we are going to the stove. So that's it. This is the thickness that I wanted to achieve, and I got it. This is the consistency that you wanted. Okay. All right. Once it's cooled down, it will thicken more. But you can always see it once you're cooking it. You can see the consistency already. There we go. We're done with that. We'll set that aside. Alright everyone, so I have everything in front of me. I have the stir-fried vegetables. I have the fresh lumpia wrapper. Oh, I think Roman lettuce. The small ones that we are also going to use. So I'm going to show you how to wrap the fresh lumpia.
All the time, pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you we've got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walking the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my
Alright everyone, so that is our fresh lumpia recipe and how I make it. It's actually not very complicated. It's just the process of doing it. So that is our fresh lumpia with peanut sauce. Okay, so here is my fresh lumpia. And I still have the stir-fried vegetable, which I am also going to eat. Let's begin.
keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Where that you weave I was tangled. Caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa.
This looks yummy.
That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any time.
The sauce is good and the wrapper is so good. That's why
I can see it now, see it now, see now.
the wrapper is a big factor also of fresh lumpia. The wrapper is slightly sweet. Yummy. Very good.
It isn't perfection. What is it we chase?
Very, very good.
15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says it's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Get a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me
Yummy.
now, see now.
It's a big bite.
Timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling.
Yummy.
Capture your body, get your best side.
Gumkum kaya ang singkamas.
Face us a smile, walking the lines, fine. But I hope one day you'll
Kahit
break
sama.
through.
It's a very good texture.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me
I want
now,
more.
see me now, see now.
Yummy.
See it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside then. See me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now.
It's 30 degrees, but the wind chill is just too cold outside. This is like eating a salad. Stir fry. What happened?
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled. Caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll be doing mine.
Very good.
You'll be living your
Very
good
satisfying.
life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection,
Where is
but
that?
is it we chase? God for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy,
Kaya
give me
pala
the
biig
pain.
ko.
A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be
Ako,
someone who
nalagyan na
says
ako
it's
ito.
more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa,
Mama,
that's yours,
paano?
but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now.
Alright.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your
I'm going to
body,
put
get
the-
your best side. Breathe in the world,
the
think
stir
this is
fry
mine.
vegetables
Walk in the
recipe.
lion's fine.
I'm going to put the Fresh Lumpia recipe and also the peanut sauce recipe.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. picture
I
so
will eat
perfect
that.
we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled. Caught in what's before
I'll
our
eat that.
eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine.
Omelette.
You be living your good life.
Okay guys,
Less from the outside than you
thank you so much for joining me in my channel today.
see now.
If you liked the video and if you would like to try the recipe, go ahead. I am going to put all the ingredients and the measurements I have made on each of them, and try it. It's good. At least it's good for me. It's good in my taste. And not only it's delicious, it's also nutritious. It's good for you. It's good for your body. It's good for everything. Okay. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and share it to everyone. And if you have not subscribed in my channel, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified on every new uploaded videos that I have in my channel. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy. I will see you guys in my next video.
Fantasy